class 8. Let us see today how to draw a bar graph using the given information. Since already you have studied about the bar graph, so I am not going to explain it again, but I am starting the exercise 13b. With the help of that we will be able to solve many questions. So if you see the question number 1 in exercise 13b, I expect that you are having your textbook with you. 13b, very first question, if you see, you are given a table like that. First question: Hindi, English, Math, Science, Social Science, Computer Science and GK. Here are their information: 35, 30, 40, 40, 40, 36, 48 and 41. We are going to show these frequencies on the graph paper. Here on x-axis I have taken the subjects, on y-axis I have taken the marks. So here I am going to draw the marks. I have kept a gap between each bar. Let us see here. Hindi is having 35 mark. If you can see, there are 10 lines between each block. 10 lines between each block. We have to draw 35. So we will go to the 35, then we will reach here 30, then this is 35. So we will draw a line here. This line representing 35 height. Now, this is the bar that we got for mark of Hindi. This you can shade, but first you finish all, then you shade. Correct? So, I am using a sketch pen now so that you may see it again. So, here you can see this is the height up to 35. Now, a vertical line will show 35. You can use simply straight lines so that you can shade. Or if you have color, you can color it. Next is English. English is 30. So up to 30 you will go. So where is 30 here? So this third line is representing 30. Like this. Correct? Now join this. Like that you can draw all. So you are seeing on the screen how I have drawn it. This is 36. This is 30. This is 40. This is also 40. SST you can see 36. How I have drawn 30, 35 and one line. Actually each block is representing 10 mark. No? So one line is representing 1 mark. So like that you can see here. And this much portion by mistake I have drawn. This you don't draw. Up to here you can draw. This is 41. Here the scale we will write. So 1 horizontal block is equal to 1 subject, whereas 1 vertical block is equal to 10 mark. How much? 10 mark. Like that, try to solve second and third. Question number 4, let us see and try to answer the following questions. Question number 4 is, use the following data to answer the questions. So, which pet was least popular among students? So, which one is? Bird. So, this answer will be bird. Which pet was more popular to twice as many students as rabbit were? So, rabbit is 5, which is 10. Dog. So, dog is more. This is the answer, simple. Now, question number 5. What is question number 5? Let us see. Use the bar graph to answer the following questions. You are seeing here vertical bars. These are horizontal bars and these are the vertical bars. See. Which language has the most native speakers? So which language is having most native speaker? Mandarin. First answer is Mandarin. Mandarin is actually Chinese language. About how many more people speak Mandarin than speak Hindi? So Mandarin is spoken by 900. Hindi is spoken by 400. So 900 minus 400, that is 500. Correct? Next. Given alongside is a graph showing the areas of the 5 Great Lakes. Read the bar graph carefully and answer the questions given below. How many square miles of area is represented by 1 centimeter block on the vertical axis? 1 centimeter block, actually this is 10 centimeter. Correct? This is 10 centimeter. No, 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter means 5,000 square miles. First one will be 5,000 square miles. First answer. How? See, one block is representing 5 and here written in 1000 square miles. So one representing 5,000 square miles. Second, area of the largest lake is about how many times the area of the smallest lake? Largest lake is 32,000 and the smallest lake is 7,500. That subtraction you can do. Also name the smallest and largest lake. So Ontario is the smallest whereas Superior is the largest lake. Here I am writing smallest, this is the largest. Okay, you write in your textbook, notebook. How much is Lake Erie larger in area than Lake Ontario? Erie is 10,000 and Ontario is 7,500. So 2,500 is the difference between both. Next, between which two lakes is the difference in area the least? So between Huron and Michigan. You can see here between Huron and Michigan only 500 difference is there. So that is the answer of D. Question number 7. We have to draw histograms in our copy for the following questions. So let us try to see how to draw the histogram. Let us see. Now you see we are going to draw the histogram for the given data in question number 7. Let us see the data and try to draw. So I am drawing the horizontal axis first and then I will draw vertical axis. You can see I have left a bar between these two. There I will make this shape. What do we call it? This is called kink. Why do we make it? If your interval is not starting from 0, we will make it kink. And the first one is given 25. So we will write here 25. Next is 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and 60 and 65. Correct? Now, 1 minute. This is 45, 55, 65. These are having no use. Correct? Because 10 gap we have to take. Now, first is over. This is X and this is Y axis. On X axis we have taken here what? Number of employees. Here we will take age. Here number of employees. Let us see. This one is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Why I have taken? I will tell you now. See, the very first is the age between 25 and 35 is 38. So 10 block represent 10 lines, 10 centimeter. Means one block represent 10 unit. So one line will represent 1 unit. So we have 38. So 38 means 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. So this one, this is 38. Correct? I will draw later. Next 35 to 45. So this is 35 and this is 45. This is 44. So 40 here, 41, 42, 43, 44, before 5th. Correct? Next, 45 to 55, 49. So 45 to 55, 49. So this is 49. And the last is 19. So this is 20, and before 1, 20, that is 19. Now we will join with the help of scale. Let us see. The difference between bar graph and histogram is that bar graph is having the gap between them, whereas histogram is not. Why? Because histogram is taken for an interval, whereas bar graph is taken not for an interval, it is the raw data. Okay, this is the histogram we have drawn. Correct? This you can shade like that. This is the histogram we have drawn. Similarly, try to draw others also. And question number 10 that is given to us, we have to solve. Question number 10 is, let us see. Question number 10 says that use the data in the given figure below to make a frequency distribution table with intervals. Number of Olympic medals won by 30 countries in 2016 Rio Summer Olympics. This is the information of 30 countries. We have to make a table as per our wish. So, as I have explained to you about range and all, let us see and try to solve. So, I am using a paper here. You can see. The lowest data we have in our collection is question number 10. The smallest data is, I can see here 4 is the smallest one, and the greatest one (56). So the range is 56 minus 4, 52. Range is 52. Now how we will draw the frequency distribution table first, that we have to see. So first of all, we will make the intervals. So range is 52. So if we take 5 in each, we will need 11 intervals. So let us write 5 h. Let us take width of the interval. Let us take 5. Then the intervals will be, I am making here class interval, then tally marks, and last frequency. Let us make first one 0 to 5, next 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, and 55 to 60. You can take 10 also, but let us understand it more deeper. Tally mark. So very first entry is 0 to 5. So no is there, don't write. First one is 56. So where it will fall? In the last one, 56. Then 42. 42 means this one. Then 41. 41 means the same one. Then 42 again. So 42 means the same. Next is 21. So 21 will be between 20 and 25. Like that we have to make the data table. So you can see this is the frequency distribution table that I have prepared. Let us write a frequency 1, 5, 9, 8, 7, 2, 2, here nil, nil, so you will write 0, 0, 3, nil, nil, 0, 0, 1. Add 1 and 5, 6 and 9, 15 and 7, 22 and 2, 24 and 2, 26 and 4, 30. But when we will make the histogram of this interval, we will get a gap between them because 3, 4 intervals will have no value. So we will change this interval. We can take 10, 10, or we can take 0 to 15, 15 to 30, 30 to 45, 45 to 60. Then we will not get the any gap between the histogram. So let us see how to make that histogram.